Hey beautiful people, it's Vishi Allure and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all enjoy this Asian inspired nail art tutorial. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment if you feel the need to do so. Your support is greatly appreciated. Okay, so right now I'm prepping my client's cuticles. I did not push back her cuticles as she did not need it. I'm just going over it with my diamond bit drill, and that should be good for her. I'm now switching to my medium grit sanding band to buff the shiny layer off the nail. That way the acrylic and monomer adheres better to the nail. You want to do this as gently as possible so you don't damage your client's nails. My client wants a rounded stiletto shaped nail, so I will now fit her for her nail tips. I am using, I believe, the e-basket nail tips from Amazon. If you looked at my previous videos, I should have a tutorial on these tips. I'm now blending in the nail tips for a more natural looking smile line. I really love these tips because it minimizes the amount of time needed to file, but the downside is only really good for stiletto shapes. I'm now going to prime her nails with this nail primer and also use my gelish bonder for her nails. For this design, I'll be using some gold flakes, SNS acrylic powder in the color Corvette Red, Glamour Glitz acrylic powder in the color Milky White, and some Chinese nails art stickers, or Asian nail art stickers. using my D&D gel top coat, and I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. Alright guys, this is the final look. How gorgeous are these nails? I hope y'all enjoyed this Asian inspired nail art tutorial video. If you did, remember to like and subscribe.